Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss Cloud Foundation. Cloud Foundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
That object, there is a form which is opening. In that form you will find various fields are there. So those fields, you will be filling the values and you will be clicking on save, so the record will be created. But those fields from where it is coming, the object where it is coming, it is a place where it has been defined. So defining the foundation object is kept and maintained in the back-end system. That is, in the provisioning system. So provisioning system, we have a concept called data models. So altogether we have around 7 data models. So index 7 data models. The first and foremost data model is a populate data model. So that is the reason foundation object is also called as a corporate data or the corporate data model, because the objects and the fields or the foundation object are defined and maintained in the corporate data model. Okay. So in coming session we will go and see how these objects are defined in the corporate data model, that is, in the provisioning. So if you are a certified consultant, then only you can go into the provisioning and you can able to access the back-end system. So every data model will be having a code, that is, an XML code. Okay, we need to download these XML codes. We don't have to write any code. The codes are already written by SAP. So, whenever there will be a changes, which is required, we need to go and download that XML code. Do the necessary changes and import it back into the system. So when we import it back into the system, then we can see we will come back into the front end. And when we go again into the manage of job pay structure, we can open that particular object and we can see that that object and the field which we have done some modification from the provision, that changes are reflecting in the front end. Okay. So defining the objects and the fields are maintained at the, it is in the provisioning, that is, at the corporate data model. Okay. Creating the record. We are doing it in the front end, that is, in the instance system. And in the instance we are using the configuration tool as a manage of job pay structure. Okay. Any questions here further? I'm just pausing for the while. Can you please repeat what was the prevention? I mean, like in instance you said we use this manage of machine pay structure to create what was information? I just missed that. Okay. So when we completed the introduction to master, if you recall, I told you that we have an architecture for success factor that is divided into the front end and the back end system. So front end is called as an instance and back end is called as a provision. Right. So any consultant, 80% of the configuration was always covers in the front-end system. Okay. But in the front-end system, whenever you want to make some changes, in terms of any objects or any field and those changes, there is some dependencies which will be lied in the provisioning system. So now, when we are discussing about the foundation object, So when you are creating a record for the foundation object in the front end, that is, in the legal entity, okay, there are certain fields will be there. A form will be there. A form will comprise of certain fields. Like your legal entity ID, legal entity name, legal entity descriptions, okay. Status, all these are the fields. So these fields, these are called the standard fields. So from where these fields are coming? From the place where it has been defined. Somewhere it will be defined in the system. Okay. Now, just for an example, when you are going and filling a banking, when you are applying for a bank account and you are filling your online form, you will be having some details. Right. First name, middle name, last name. All these information should be filling. So the form will be there. With some space length will be there for each field. So where it is showing in the front end, that is in the UI. But from where it is coming? Somewhere it is defined. Same way when you are going and creating a legal entity, business unit or any foundation. Object. Those fields and objects are defined somewhere. So in SuccessFactors Employee Center, these objects are defined in the provisioning system. So in the provisioning system we have a concept called data models. Data model is a tool which help us to maintain the configuration of that particular objects and the field which is maintained in the provisioning. And whatever data. So, whatever the object and field which we have configured in the data model, that will be reflecting in the front end. That is, in the instance system. The reason is that instance and provisioning both are synchronized to each other. Both are connected to each other. So whatever activation or whatever enabling part which we are doing in the provisioning, same thing will be reflecting in the front-end system. So it means that the foundation objects are created in provisioning. Foundation object records are created in the front end. Suppose I am giving an example. You want to create a record for location. For locations you want to create Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi. So this is the record you are creating. In the system a company. You have a company and the company have 4 branches located in India. Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. So you have to create a location. Okay. The record for the location. So you are creating that record for the location in the front end. That is in the managed object or paste structure. But when you are creating that location you will be having some form. You will be filling that form. Then only you will be saving it. So somewhere those fields are coming, somewhere it is defined. So that is the place it is called as a corporate data model. In the provision we have a data model tool, so altogether we have 7 data model tool. I will explain to you in detail for all the remaining data model. But among the 7 data model, one of the important data model is called as corporate data model. So each data model tool will be having an XML code. So we need to download that XML file. There are certain codes, other index.ml file that codes are already predefined. It is already created by default by SAP. So those codes are nothing but the configuration which is maintained in the code. And that configuration is nothing but the objects and field which are defining it in the data model. So if you will modify some code means if you are modifying the configuration. And that will be reflecting in the front end system.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.